upload our resources. Anand sir, are students are still joining or shall we get started? I think it's already 8:40.
I think we can get started already 8:40. Let's get started. Others will join.
Yeah. So we watch a small video on how to do that, and then we will do a hands-on session. So this is today's plan. So I'll just play this video.
Hello and welcome to week 4 of the Teaching Mathematics with Technology course. In this video, we will learn how to download resources from the GeoGebra repository. We'll also learn how to create our own account, upload our materials and publish them. So GeoGebra has a repository of OER GeoGebra files. It also has lesson plans, worksheets and related resources which have been uploaded by other teachers. You can go to geogebra.org and download these resources, which may be GeoGebra files or worksheets or any other activity documents, and download them for your own use. You can do that because it's an open resource. You can also contribute to this repository by creating your own account as well as publishing the resource. So you need to open geogebra.org on your browser, and then you can see the Search Classroom Resources bar on this web page. You just need to type the topic that you want to search resources on. So in this particular case, I have typed triangles, and when I hit enter, I'll get the triangle resources that are available on GeoGebra. And as you can see, there are several of them. You can type any topic name that you want. You could type mensuration, you could type quadrilaterals, you could type circles, and you will get GeoGebra files pertaining to that particular topic. Now when you click on that resource, it opens it on GeoGebra. Now if you want to edit that resource, now because it's open resource, you can not only download the resource, you can also edit it on your own computer. You need to click on the 3 dots that you see on the right side and select the Open in App option. So GeoGebra will open the file in your own GeoGebra app, but on the web. If you want to download it to your own computer, you have to select Download As, and then you can download the GeoGebra file to your own computer and edit it like you would edit any GeoGebra file. That was accessing and downloading resources already available on the geogebra.org OER repository. You can also contribute to that effort by creating your own account, and I'll briefly explain the process of creation of your own ID on geogebra.org. The steps are available on this slide, but I will show them one by one in this video. So you need to go to geogebra.org again, and on the right side you will see the sign in link. You will click on that sign in link. Since you don't have an ID, you will have to create an ID by clicking on the create account that you see in the screen in front of you. When you click on the create account screen, GeoGebra will ask you for some information, and then after filling that information, which is basically your mail ID as well as the username that you want to use for your GeoGebra account and the password that you want to choose, you will enter that information and then click on create account to create your account. You will get an email to the mail ID that you have specified with a registration confirmation link. When you click on that link, GeoGebra will open a form where you can provide some basic information to GeoGebra. This is optional, so you can choose to enter, you can choose not to enter. And then finally you click on Let's Get Started on GeoGebra at the bottom of the screen. When you click on that link, you will open your own page in GeoGebra. So this is one such page on geogebra.org that we have created. In case you do not get the mail, you can always click on the recent confirmation mail that is available so that the mail gets sent back to you once again. We have created the account in GeoGebra. Now I will show you on geogebra.org itself how you can upload your own resources. You can upload a GeoGebra file, and as I said, you can upload activity worksheets, etc. as well. So let me go to my own account. I've created my own account on GeoGebra.org, and to create resources, to upload resources on it, I need to click on my login logo that I see on the right side. This opens my own page on GeoGebra.org. I can see the create button. When I click on create, I have several options. Right now I will focus on the most basic option, which is upload. So you already created a GeoGebra file on your computer. Now you will click on upload so that you can upload the file onto GeoGebra.org. Here in this screen that comes, you will click on browse, which allows you to browse the files on your computer. I'm going to click on the file, text box and input bar construction, and click on open. So it will upload that file onto GeoGebra, and I can give a title for this file. So I will say text box use GeoGebra, and then I'll click on save, which is the link on the right side. Once I click on save, GeoGebra will add this file to the repository. I can go back to my home page and I will find that this particular resource that I have uploaded is available there, which is the text box file that I have given. Now if you notice, this file can only be shared if I give a link to somebody, but if I want to make it public, if I want to make it available for anybody who comes to GeoGebra.org, I need to publish this resource. So I need to click on this three dots that I see here. When I click on it, I have an option to publish. When I publish this file, it means that it's available to everybody who can search for it on GeoGebra.org. So I can give a brief description of the file, text box used in GeoGebra. I have to select which topic it pertains to. So this is pertaining to triangles, so I will select triangles. And I also have to give the category. I'll simply say it's a collection of resources, and then I will say publish. So when I click on publish, now you can see that the resource is called public and it's available to anybody who wants to use it. So if I click on the file, I will get a URL. This is a URL which if I share with anybody, they can access this file on their own computer. And because it's public, it is also available for anybody to search when they come to GeoGebra.org, which is the first thing that you did when you search for resources on Triangle. So if now somebody searches for Triangle resources, they will get this resource as well. So what did we learn in this video? We learned how to download GeoGebra resources from GeoGebra.org on any mathematics topic. We also learned to create our own account on GeoGebra.org, and we also actually demonstrated the uploading of a GeoGebra resource created by us. I uploaded one file that I had created on text box and input bar, which we saw earlier, and published the same. Once the resource is published, it's available for everybody to download and use.
I hope everybody can read the video. Can anyone confirm? You guys watch the video. Can anyone confirm by unmuting your mic?
You are now unmuted.
Yes, ma'am.
You are now muted.
Yes, Hima Shetty. Yes, what about this? Are others can able to see that?
You are now unmuted.
Yes, ma'am.
I want others to confirm other than Hima Shetty.
Yes, ma'am.
So Priyanka says yes, okay. What about others? Varshini, Nisarga, Nikita, Niharika, Ritesh.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So today we will learn how to, download the resources. So for the mobile users, I think you people already have been logged in, because while saving your file, it's mandatory to log in into the website. But today we'll search in the browser how to download the resources. The steps will be the same for mobile and the laptop users. So I'll just firstly show in the mobile user, because it's as many of you use the mobile devices. So I'll just quickly share my screen. Yeah, can you people see my screen?
You are now unmuted.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
You are
so
now muted.
I'll go to browser. Then I'll search for GeoGebra. The first link that I can see, www.geogebra.org, just click there. So we got all the things. So I'll make sure that it is a desktop site so that all the features can be seen. You can see at the top right side corner, it's already the symbol V is given because I've already signed in. I'll just enable this desktop site so that I can see all the resources. Similarly, the way it has been seen in the laptop, so in the similar way it will be shown. So click on the classroom resources. Yeah. So on the top side you can see the search symbol. So let me give portrait mode so that you can see properly. Yeah. Is my screen far better now? Can you able to see the
Yes, ma'am.
logos? Yeah. So I'll click on
You are now muted.
search symbol. Now I'll enter some square constructions or any triangle, polygon. So I'll say, let me search for square. Now I'll click on search. So I'll got all the square related constructions here. Now I'll open any one of them to just to show. So I think properties of square. So I think this will be helpful if I say. So now I'll click on the three dots at the top. Now either I can open in app or I can click on the details just to download. If you want to know, see what exactly they have, what all the features that they have used, other than here, seeing here, you can always open in your app. So I'll show both of them. So first I'll click on open in app. So sometimes the option open in app will not be seen. So you can always click on the details to download that. Yeah, it's opening in GeoGebra. Yes. So I think they've already opened in our GeoGebra app. So I'll just quickly go back. So I'll just download how to download that. So I'll go back. So click on the same thing. Click on the three dots at the above. Click on the details. Yeah. So there is an option called download. So I'll just click on that. So I agree with the terms and conditions. Offline activity. Yeah, now I'll download this. In this way, you can able to download the other GeoGebra resources on geogebra.org. So these steps will be the same for the laptop user as well. So I'll give you 5 minutes time just to open GeoGebra app and search for your topic, relevant topic. and then you can able to download that. Just download it and then confirm me in the chat window. For me, it's still downloading, so 66%. So for search for your relevant topics, don't download unnecessary all the files. Just before downloading, just make sure that the file is useful for your understanding. Then only you are supposed to download that. So it's been downloaded. So first you download it, then I'll show you how to open in that. How to open in your laptop, because it's directly straightforward here in mobile users, but in laptop you need to right click and open with GeoGebra. So make sure that can able to do that. First you download your resources and then confirm me, and then we'll go for the next.